Garden Friends by Infant Swanby. One spring day, Bertie the butterfly and Dora the ladybird were flying in the garden. They flew to a nearby tree where they met their friend Rupert the caterpillar. Rupert crawled up the tree and asked,
"Can I play?"
and Bertie and Dora answered,
Yes, you can.
So they played happily together. After a while, they went to play in the flowers, and soon after, a little rabbit came along eating his carrot and asked,
Can I play too?
So Bertie, Dora and Rupert replied,
Yes, you can play.
Suddenly, they heard a strange noise. And they said,
Who's that?
and the frog answered,
Yes, it's me. Can I play too?
and they all answered,
Yes, you can play as well.
They all played happily together in the garden as friends do.